Hello, my name is Benton Jaco, and my research partner for this project was Morgan Hawkins. The title of our project was Compound Ascidian Coverage and Associated Echinaster Spinulosis Predation in St. Joseph's Bay. Our advisor for this project was Dr. Janie Wolf at the FSU Department of Biological Sciences. To begin, compound ascidians are a type of chordate filter feeder, which encrusts onto various substrate up to and including seagrass. The literature suggests that this may harm the seagrass they encrusted onto. The goal of this study was to quantify how much damage these compound ascidians may cause the seagrass of St. Joseph's Bay, and if Echinaster spinulosis predation on the compound ascidians affords some protection to the seagrasses of St. Joseph's Bay. The methods that we did to evaluate this project were: 1, we took surveys all over St. Joseph's Bay; 2, we quantified the feeding rate of Echinaster spinulosis starfish on the compound ascidians through laboratory testing. Next, we quantified the amount of decay they cause the seagrass by filleting off the compound ascidian and measuring how much degraded seagrass was underneath versus healthy seagrass. And finally, we measured the growth of these ascidians by using growth plates, which were allowed to grow for multiple days underwater.
Hi everyone, my name is Morgan Hawkins, and I will be taking us through the results and takeaways of our research. Ascidian growth results found that compound ascidians in St. Joseph Bay can grow up to 1 centimeter squared per day. For starfish feeding results, we found that these starfish do consume colonial ascidians and can eat up to 2 centimeters squared per day. Our survey data shows that during the end of the summer, the Didemnum species, which is this white species depicted here, will increase in population and overtake other ascidian types. As you can see in 4 of these 6 graphs, there's a lot more Didemnum species present towards the end of the summer. For our seagrass blade decay results, we found a larger colony results in more degradation to the seagrass blade. For every 1 centimeter of colony present on a seagrass blade results in 0.9 centimeters of that blade to be degraded. Some takeaways from our research include that compound ascidians can rapidly grow and overtake an ecosystem. The seagrass blades are affected by compound ascidians and need to be considered for restoration efforts. Colonial ascidian populations increase during the end of the summer when temperatures rise, with Didemnum being a huge player in this game. And starfish are able to eat 2 centimeters squared per day of ascidian to limit the ascidian net growth in St. Joseph Bay. If you guys have any questions, please let us know in the chat and we'll be happy to answer them.